Welcome back, and welcome back to winter. We got it for the next 48 to 60 hours, then a slow warm up this weekend, but more rain on the way this weekend, but it won't be a washout, and it looks like the parades are going to be okay, at least for Friday evening and going into Saturday as well. So let's take a look at the big picture here. We got three big upper level features. One that's already on the East Coast. That was our weather maker last night. It did produce about an inch or two of rain, some spots more. There was flooding over by New Orleans, and there was a little winter weather up toward the I-20 corridor. We have this stretched out polar vortex that's been working its way southward, and we're getting a taste of that with a big ridge of high pressure. And here's our next weather maker entering the Pacific Northwest. That's going to bring rain to the area this weekend. Next system is going to be further down into the Gulf of Mexico, so it looks like lighter rain this time around as we go into the weekend, but part of the weekend does look wet, especially Sunday right now. Right now we're under this influence of Arctic high pressure that's come out of the Canadian prairies and continues to move south, and with the pressure gradient between this high and low pressure on the East Coast, we've had breezy north winds, plenty of clouds locked in, and these clouds are staying with us even though it looks like they're clearing out. We have those stratiform clouds that continue to dominate, and they won't burn off probably until tomorrow afternoon. Cold weather advisories for much of the center part of the U.S. Extreme cold warnings for a good part of the nation's midsection. You see a new one just issued up by Kansas there, and locally here in Acadiana, it's going to be windy overnight tonight, staying breezy. Sub-freezing temperatures for at least 12 to 14 hours. In some spots, 16. So that's a hard freeze. All the protections for your pipes, plants, pets, people should be in place. Dangerous wind chills tomorrow morning. Bundle the kids on up. 10 to 15 degrees in the morning, and we're going to keep wind chill with us throughout the day tomorrow as it stays breezy. Cloud cover through daybreak tomorrow, mid-20s our start. Then you see the clouds burning off during the afternoon. Still cold though, upper 30s to lower 40s. Wind chill still in the lower 30s, and that breeze stays with us through Friday morning, so still a little bit of a wind chill, mid-20s. Wind chills could be in the upper teens, and then going into Friday afternoon, some high clouds moving in advance of that next weather system that impacts us for the weekend. In fact, let's bring in Saturday. Here we are, stopping it at 11 o'clock at night. Rain on the way. Can't guarantee it's going to be dry for Rio, but the early part of the parade, perhaps, yes. We'll fine-tune that forecast as we move forward. Crew to Kenai looks okay, but dress in layers. 40s for both of those parades, and dress in layers. At least there won't be much wind. Rain coming in on Sunday, so Sunday looks to be a wet, dreary day, and then clearing out Monday. Temperatures back into the mid to upper 60s, and as we work our way through the week, we'll be pushing into the 70s. Got another front on the way, but this one's going to be of Pacific origin, so we won't see winter temperatures to follow, but plenty of winter temperatures here. Lower 20s for northern portions of Acadiana, mid-20s I-10 corridor on southward. Then tomorrow only topping out in the upper 30s for the northern parishes. It depends on when that cloud cover burns off. And sometimes the clouds can keep us milder at night, so 25 is probably as low as we're going to go in Lafayette, and those numbers may be a little skewed too high. Lower 40s again for your afternoon high. And then tomorrow night with clear skies, we'll get down into the low to mid 20s for sure. In fact, these numbers may even wind up being a little bit lower if we have clear skies and light winds. We'll see how that plays out and update you on that for tomorrow. Wind chills, we know they're going to be between 10 and 15 degrees tomorrow morning. Similar readings, probably mid to upper teens for Friday morning. So 25 the overnight low, breezy and cold. The true view sky is not kind of capturing that low cloud cover, and I tried to do what I could, but we'll stay mostly cloudy throughout the night tonight, which again may keep us a little bit above 25. Still breezy northeast and northeast winds tomorrow. Temperatures top out in the lower 40s. We'll go with morning clouds, but afternoon sun for sure. We'll keep our fingers crossed on that. Sometimes these winter weather systems, the clouds don't want to clear out, especially when it says, oh, it's going to cloud up again on Friday, so we'll see that. Temperatures getting back into the 50s this weekend. Rain chances ramping up late Saturday night into Sunday, and then going into next week, a return of a more spring-like pattern indeed. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.